thunderstorm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Saturday to 10 a.m. EST Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 9 inches. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio. When? From 7 p.m. Saturday to 10 a.m. EST Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Additional details. Snow will spread into the region Saturday night and peak in intensity during the day Sunday. The snow will gradually taper off late Sunday night into Monday. Sub-zero wind chills are expected Saturday night into Sunday morning, and again Sunday night into Monday morning. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.